welcome back to another video. So last video I saw you guys here in this location, and today I'm back here because today is 29th of today is today is 28. So, and here I don't know if you guys can see that. So that's a landing of a Boeing 787-9. There. So that's a Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner as a heritage edition to celebrate 70 years of Gulf Air. It comes up in a livery which was there when Gulf Air started, and then there you see it turning up. There it turns. I'll just change the view, guys. There. Sorry for the shake. So the flight just came from London. So the reason I came here today, I'll just tell you in a few minutes after I turn on my front camera so you guys can see me. And there it goes. So the reason I came up here today is for that thing up over there. That thing. That's the one I came for. I'll tell you what that is. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'm actually with my mask. So the reason I'm actually here with my mask is because I'm meeting you guys again in this beach. Okay. So if you guys remember where this beach is legit next to the airport that we met last video. And this is runway 30R and 30L, and I'm opposite to that runway's beach. The reason that I came here today, as I said you, it's right up over there. Okay, the reason is because an Airbus A380 that I came last week for taking is going on today. So today will be the third last day of an Airbus A380 in Bahrain. I don't know if it's going to extend, but that's the reason. So the flight you saw previously was the Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner Heritage Edition. And I couldn't see it clearly because it's due to the sunlight. So first, why I came up in the front camera is because thanks to everybody who saw the previous video and liked, and thanks for people who also commented. Please start showing up love, and thanks for the 42 and 43rd subscriber. You raised me by I think 41, 42 and 43. Yeah, so there are 3 subscribers who came in new. Thank you. And if you don't know my name is Rishikeshwar Raghavan, and I just finished my school waiting for college. Updates on that will be coming soon. Still the Airbus A380 haven't come in the site, so let's wait and watch when it's taking off. Time is around 6:05 now, 6:05, 6:10, and that's an awesome view of the sunset. So yeah, many people ask me where this this site is. So runway 30R and 30L is there. Opposite to that is the beach. Okay. So that's it, nothing much. After this you'll find the Airbus A380 taking off video. I hope that the sun sets and I can have a good view of it. Okay, so thank you all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please comment something what you would like to see next. This is your Rishikesh going on from today's video. Video is not finished. Video will go on until the flight takes off, but this is your Rishi signing off now. Meet you in another video soon. Tata, bye bye, and have a good day. Okay guys, so I'm waiting for the Airbus A380 like now around 30 minutes, more than 30 minutes, but then it's delayed. So that one you see up over there is the Airbus A320 Neo from Gulf Air, a brand new jet that's landing. I'm just trying to cover the amount of flights landing and taking off. because at this period of time the amounts of flights landing and taking off has been reduced, and also the place I'm standing in, before the flight used to land from this direction, so it used to come like this and land, but then now it's landing in the opposite direction. So if I go that side, I can't see the Airbus A380 taking off, so that's why I'm standing up over here. It's right about there. So thank you all for showing some support the past few years and all. So please just keep on showing it, because support is something that everybody required. And as I always say, share some love to everybody during this COVID time, when people are suffering, cases are increasing, decreasing. People are losing a lot of life. So at this moment of time, share how much ever you can, because even a small hi, hello, how are you, good morning, good night, good evening will make many people happy. So don't forget to always keep people happy. Okay, so always just keep someone happy, and just talk. And even if they're done bad to you, just talk, because that one word that you speak might change their entire life, or maybe their entire day. So just talk to whoever you can, whatever it is. Ask sorry, say thank you. Jeep Trackhawk. Okay, I just saw the car, Jeep Trackhawk. Yeah, so I'm kind of a car guy. So if I see any good cars, I'll take it. That's a Jeep Trackhawk, so I just showed you. There comes the Airbus A320. I think you can see it coming down, right? So that's the Airbus A320. That it's down. I was just standing up over here, and some of good heart people just waved their hands, honked and went. So happy for that. It has touched down, and then there it turns. Actually, I could take a much better view, but then the space between the actual landing pad, I mean the runway, and the place where I'm standing is having like four-lane road, has like very big parking lot and all. So there it's just turning. I hope you can see that. So yeah, so the next part will be hopefully the Airbus A380, and I'll meet you in the next part. Guys, I don't know which flight this is, because it's not coming in the radar, but I hope you enjoyed this view. Okay, so for the view at least, there's a flight taking off. I don't know which one it is, so let's wait and see which one it is. See, that's the one. Okay, this is the Boeing 737-8 Egyptian from Cairo, going to Cairo from Bahrain. I like those angles. Okay, so the next flight is an Airbus A380. It has come up in the radar, and I'll come and see you when the Airbus A380 take off. So there's another one again taking off. Because these are not coming up in the radar. Okay, so I don't know which aircraft it is or which airline it is until it takes off. So just wait, let's wait and see. Maybe the Airbus A380, I don't know, I can't say because I am not seeing it yet. So yeah, I've not showed you, right? So it's right up over there. This one. I know you'll be thinking, oh, this is just the lights are from others. No, this is an aircraft light. I'm sorry guys, it's blurring out a bit because of the light from the background. I can't find it yet. If I'm not wrong, I think it's a Gulf Air. Yeah, so now I think the next one would be an Airbus A380. So let me see. I don't know guys, I couldn't even see this in the radar, so let me just come back and tell you guys which aircraft this is, which airline. I think it's an Airbus A320 from Gulf Air. Next is 380. So yeah, I haven't actually showed you because we are planning on going back for vacation. So let's see if I'm going for vacation. So if I'm going, there will be a tour of that thing. So that's the new Airbus new airport of Emirates of Bahrain, sorry, that one. So very soon you can see a video about that. Oh yeah, there comes the Airbus A380, that one. There, it's turning. So if you guys can see that, that's the Airbus A380 there. Okay, so when it takes off, I'll come and see you guys. Okay guys, the previous one I saw, actually I thought it was an Airbus A320, but it's not the Airbus A320. It's a DC-10. So DC-10 from FedEx. So it was actually in there waiting there for a very long time. So I thought it was just like a fault is there, but no, it's actually a DC-10. I thought there was an Airbus A380, but still it's coming in the map that it's still standing up over there. So when it comes in, I will show you guys, and hopefully, so yeah, just enjoy this amazing view that I have behind me. I like the way, see, like I'll just give you an idea. Okay, so see, blue, brown, blue, orange, red, grey. That's full of lights, and that's black. Wonderful. Nature is everything. So still the Airbus A380 is not here. I'll come back to you when it's going to land. Okay, so guys, I was actually waiting for the Airbus A380. It's actually started to move. Now the thing is, we have seen this many in Dubai, but have you seen this in Bahrain? 1, 2, and do you think that's only 2? No, there's like so many like this. Okay, so basically there's like too much traffic today in the space, not here in the road. So there's like 4 flights, that's 4 aircrafts coming to land. This one that's landing currently is a Boeing operated by DHL. Okay, so that's a cargo plane, 777, I think, 777 fighter. Behind that is an Airbus A320 coming from, I'm not sure where that is coming from. And then there's 2 more. So there's one somewhere up over there that's coming from another Airbus A321. There's another one coming from here, coming from Dubai, another Airbus A320. There goes a petrol in the sense, the Super Safari. Okay, so I'll meet you in the Airbus A380. Okay guys, so I was telling you that there was 2 flights coming in a line. Now what happened is, one flight landed, and behind that there's already another flight coming up from one more place, Airbus A320. That's in 2000. Along with that, from Dammam we had another flight there, and that has a go around. So that's at 7,000 feet right now and doing a go around to join with the traffic. And at this time an Airbus A380 will take off. I don't know if you can guys see it. As I said, in between those 2 lights there's a flight over there. So that's the flight. It will take off in another few minutes. There you see this is like, see, takeoff is there, landing is there, go around is there. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. There it comes. There it comes. There it comes. There comes the magnificent. There it takes off. Airbus A380 from Emirates. Wonderful takeoff. Sorry for the move, guys. I'm trying to give you good angles from here. That's it, guys. That's it for today's video. Maybe I'll get few. So as I said, 2 are landing. 1 is up over there. Airbus A380 is over there. Go around is over here. 2 is landing. So now it's busy. I have to go again by this side. So this side again I have to go. And if I can, I'll try to upload a photo. There's another flight up over there. Okay, guys. See you in another video. Hope you like the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll meet you again in other vlogs. See you and good.
Everything's unfolding as it